Hey guys, Chef here from Fat Kids Barbecue. How's everybody doing today? Today we're going to cook a whole chicken on the Traeger. We've got the Traeger warming up right now. We have it set at 250 degrees. Today we're cooking with some apple pellets. We're going to put this on there at 250. We're going to cook it for about 2 hours. We want this to hit about probably 160 in temperature. So it's a real easy bake today. Chicken is really simple, you see. I picked this guy up at my local grocery store, right out of the meat counter. Real easy. You can see it gets all over everything. With chicken, it's really important. Wear gloves. You don't want to contaminate the heck out of your house. You know, look, I made a mess there. So we'll just clean it up as we go. Today I'm going to be using the Summer Shandy Lining Cooler Rub from Traeger. It's really tasty. If you haven't tried it yet, make sure you do. One thing with the chicken, make sure you get this goodness out. First time I ever cooked one, I left it in. Didn't hurt it any, but I was a little bit surprised when I went to go eat dinner. So now we're going to take our rub. I'm going to change gloves here because I just so happen to get chicken grossness all over everything. So I'm going to take the rub here. We're going to put it in the glove. So that we keep the container nice and clean. It's a nice little trick I learned. Now, what we're going to use for a binder is a little bit of, I have some extra virgin olive oil that'll help bind the rub onto the chicken. So we'll just spray a little bit of that on there. Now we'll take our rub. We want to get a nice even coating, so we'll spread it all about. I'm going to get rid of this pan. There's a lot of juice on this pan. Now we'll spread the rub on the remainder of the bird here. So now we got the upside. One of the things I notice with these rubs is sometimes they tend to get a little, in the warmer weather, in the higher humidity, they tend to get a little stuck together. We'll also put some in the cavity. Might as well put some underneath the skin as well. Let's get that flavor in there. This flavor is really amazing. So that's good. So now we've got the Traeger going outside again. We're cooking with apple wood today. We'll get this guy. Some people will tie up your legs. I don't do that stuff. I just kind of leave it loose a little bit so it all cooks evenly. So we'll get this on the Traeger. We'll cook it for the next couple of hours. I am going to use the meat probe today so we can keep an eye on the temperature of the chicken. Alright guys, so we've got the grill warmed up to about 250 degrees. We're going to take our chicken and we're going to place it directly right on the grate. We'll leave it right in the center of the grill. And we'll get this guy cooking for the next couple of hours. We are going to take our probe and we're going to put it in the thickest part of the breast so we can watch that temperature. And once that temperature hits about 160, 165, we'll take it off. So it's been about an hour and a half since we put the whole chicken on the grill here. And checking our meat probe, our temperature's up to about 149 degrees. What's great about the Traeger and the meat probe is there's an app for that. So you technically never need to open up your grill. However, we're gonna have a sneak peek here to see how our chicken's doing. Wow. That's looking beautiful. We'll close this back up and it should be ready in about 20 minutes or so. All right, guys, so check it out. Our chicken came out fantastic. We've got a Lindsay going. We sauteed some vegetables on the Weber. On the gas grill, we tossed those in some extra virgin olive oil with a little bit of McCormick garlic and herb. It was fantastic. So, time to sit down and have some dinner. Those things taste amazing. The chicken looks beautiful. Thanks, guys. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button down below.